I'm on the floor, floor. Ay, naku. Bakit pa ulit-ulit siya? Ay! Ganda naman!
Hello!
Hello po! Ano pong
Hi, Jean! Hello!
Ano
Oh my
pong
God.
tawag namin sa inyo?
Pwede niyo akong itawag alert ka pa ngo, guys.
Alert ka. Pero parang, mas gusto ko po na na Diyosa. Diyosa! Hello po! Wait, magpa-play lang po ako ng music natin. If okay lang po sa inyo.
Sige lang, go lang.
Hello po, good evening po. Ang ganda niyo po.
Thank you, thank you. Okay. Guys, 3 rounds lang ito, guys.
Yes, 3 rounds lang po.
Go, let's start.
Let's start na po. Sige po. Let's go!
Let's go, guys!
Kayo po ba mag-invite or ako po? Sige po. Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Go, guys!
Snipe, snipe! Ay, wala pa po pala.
Wala pa.
Ay, nice to meet you. Wait po.
Go, guys! Guys, drop all the boosters, guys. Drop all the boosters. Kuya Chris, you have second boosters on the second round. Kuya Chris, all the boosters. Kuya Chris, in second round. Guys, no roast, guys.
Lahat na lang ay kalaban.
Thank you so much po sa inyo lahat na nandito sa ating 481
Thank you so much,
viewers.
guys.
Dahil darating din yun. Chara cha chara ay gugma. Chara ay gugma.
Pwede po.
Chara cha chara. Chara ay gugma.
Go, guys!
Chara cha chara.
Thank you, Kuya Vodka. Thank
Okay
you,
po, wait
Kuya
lang.
JC. Thank you.
Mute ko lang po kayo.
Sige.
Hello? Hindi ko alam yung sasabihin ko eh. In my head and I can't give. Let's go! What do I do? We just have fun! Thank you so much everybody sa lahat po ng mga nandito, sa lahat ng mga nanonood, sumusuporta. Maraming salamat po. And we're just waiting for the speed challenge. Yes, I hope meron. Ayan. So, if you guys haven't followed Alert Kapango, si Miss Josa, tonight, ayan, let's all follow Alert Kapango, ayan, usually does PKs. Yeah. Thank you so much, Miss Davina! Hi, Rab! Grabe naman ito. Grabe naman sa 999. Sana okay lang po. Okay lang po ba itong... Thank you, Kuya Jaja Boy! Let's go! Hey! Na 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 every day. Lara! I was Juana! Let's waiting! Sorry. Hello po! Mga technology! Celeste! Together, universe! Boss Henry! Kuya Jaja Boy! Celeste, thank you so much! Celeste! Wait lang! Wait lang! Wait! Kuya Jaja Boy! Hala, nagwawala na rin yung mga pusa ko! Thank you so much po sa inyong lahat! May mga nagsasend po ba ng boosters? Oh my gosh! Hindi ko alam! Hello po! Ay, grabe naman! Thank you so much, Boss Henry! Thank you so much po! Redwood! Kuya John Felix! Thank you! Miss Devina! Wait lang. Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko. Oh my God! Miss ako. Hihinga lang po ako. Ate Jen! Miss Jen! Oh my gosh! Wait lang. Ang sakit na ulo ko. Grabe. James! Edward! Oh my gosh, you guys! Thank you po! Thank you po sa inyong lahat! Redwood James! Kuya Jeje Boy! Kuya Ram! Miss Divina! Thank you! Celestine! Miss Rosie! Thank you! Hurt lang! Ang sakit na ng lalamunan ko! Hi! Thank you so much po, everybody! Maraming salamat po, David! Thank you, thank you! Kuya Michael Eric, thank you so much! Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, Beep! Thank you! Congratulations po! Grabe! Tita! Thank you so much! Maraming salamat po! Opo! Ay.
Yeah, Kuya Bobby. Ate Bobby na tayo siya. Ate Jay, Kuya JC.
Thank you. Congrats po! Okay na po ba yung isang round? Pwede na po ba yung isang round?
Oh my God! Oh my God, Jay! Oh my God!
Thank you, thank you. Miss Jade, Miss Divino, Redwood, Boss Henry, Miss Ricey, Kuya Sean Felix, thank you so
Oh my
much.
God, thank you, Ate MJ!
Kuya Michael, Eric, Ate Jet po.
Gabi ka, Sir
Ay,
Chris,
humahabol
thank
pa.
you. I love you, thank you. Madam Baby,
Miss Kim, I
guys.
love you.
Second na,
Lahat
guys,
naman
go.
nandito. Miss Bang, thank you so much.
Philippines,
Wait, ngayon
Kuya.
ko lang ba nakikita yung mga gifts? Kanina pa po ba
Okay.
sinento?
Kuya, second round, guys.
Thank you. Okay, sige po.
Second. Oh my God, Kuya Chris! Happy na siya.
Sige
Guys,
po.
second round, guys!
Okay, let's go! Kinakabahan ako. Okay na po ako. Okay na ako. Thank you so much. Grabe po kayo. Tita Tin, Miss Kayla, thank you so much. Sa lahat po ng mga nandito. Riley Banana, thank you so much. Kuya Prime Angelo, Sheila Latte, maraming salamat. Miss Yeo, Kaizu Cutie, Miss Angie, thank you so much. Kuya RFG, Wholesome, Kuya Ethan, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Ay, sobrang happy ko na po na dito kayo. Maraming salamat po. Azumi, thank you so much. Miss Maria, Miss Divina, Miss Ricey, thank you po. Thank you so much po. Sobrang okay na po ako. Okay na. David, thank you. Ayan. Yes, wala po muna magsasend ng roses, please. Meron po tayong boosting gloves. Tamika! Rap! Thank you so much! Miss K, Pokemon! Ate Claude! I love you! I love you all! Yes, and now we're gonna make it right. We gonna make it. Celestine! Kuya Jada Boy! Miss Jade! Hello! Grabe po! Miss Jade! Miss Ricey, thank you so much. Wait lang. Username, Ate Jen Pod. Sam, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Miss Kayla, I love you. I love you all so much. Sa lahat po na nandito, grabe, hindi ko na po kayo may isa-isa, pero sobrang thank you po. Kuya Ras, Miss Lady. Ayan, sa mga nandito po, please, let's not send any roses po muna. Hindi ko na rin kinakaya, Miss Evina! Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat, Miss Sanjay. Thank you so much. Miss Rach! Nanginginig na ako, Miss Evina. Oh my gosh, thank you so much po. Boss Henry, thank you, thank you. Oh my gosh. Ay. Wala na rin po ako mabasa. David, thank you so much. Miss Divina. Boss Henry, thank you so much. Hala, salamat po. Hala. James Redwood. Wait lang. Thank you. Thank you po. Miss Davina. Hello. Thank you. Thank you so much everybody. Sa inyo lahat po na nandito. Maraming salamat po. Yes, no rose po muna please. Boss Henry, thank you so much. Thank you po sa inyong lahat na nandito. Maraming salamat po. I hope you guys are having fun. Hindi ko alam po paano, pero... Woo! Miss Davina! Thank you so much po! Thank you everybody! Kahit na nalalamunan ko. Ay, sakit na. Miss Divina, thank you so much po. Username. Thank you, everybody. Yes. Wala daw muna po magsasend ng roses, please. K-Rod, Miss Jen Gats, thank you. I love you. I love you all so much. Miss Beng, maraming salamat po. Celestine! David! Nate Spain, thank you so much. Yes, no roses po muna, please. 2, 1, let's go! Hello, Kuya Tata ko. Ba't kayo? Thank you so much, Kuya Jeptology. Thank you. Ano, pwedeng tapos na? Okay na siguro yun. Okay na ba yun? Thank you so much po, Tataba.
Kuya Chris, Kuya Dex, Nakshile, Anastasia King, The Wicked, Ate Bobby Jones, Ate Tibes.
Congratulations po ulit!
Congratulations.
Dami. Thank you so much, everybody. Maraming salamat po. And congrats po ulit sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you rin po. Alert ka pango. Maraming salamat.
Okay guys, last game.
Last
game.
Ay, okay.
Kuya Chris!
Namamaos na ako.
Guys, this is last game, guys!
Thank you. Thank you so
Philippines,
much.
Anastasia.
Ay, may round 3 pa pala. Kalma na lang po tayo. Kalma na lang po. Okay na po tayo. Ayan, please no rose po muna. But I really appreciate you all. Pero it's better if you tap your screens na lang po. Huwag daw muna pong rose. Miss Pausi! Panda! Thank you so much. Salamat po, Moonday. Thank you so much, everybody. Apo. Wala po muna tayong roses please. Ayan, sabi ni Miss Kayla Marites, sabi no rose. Yes. Okay. Apo. Thank you so much, Soydos. I love you, Miss Divina, Kuya Jeje Poy. Hala, server error. Hindi ko makita yung mga andito. James, Boss Henry, Miss Ricey, Kuya Raz, Pokemon, Beep, Miss Kayla, Rap, thank you, Tita Tin, username, Miss Beng, Miss Anjay, Miss Joanna, Wholesome, Glamour Beads, Miss Pausi, Miss Jen Gats, Panda, K-Rod, Julie B, Hati Claude, Life Like River, Anjo, Miss Rose, Renz I, Kuya Ems, Miss Chachi, Bo James, RB, Leia, thank you so much. It's me, Annie, Gracia Char, Charm, may isa-isa. Pero, ayun, gusto ko lang pong, ayun na. Yes, Bo. Thank you so much. Apo, no-rose na muna po sa mga Miss Joanna, Leia, thank you so much. Sir Rad! Thank you po. Hala, grabe, ang bilis ng likes natin. Username, Redwood James, thank you so much. Salamat po, Kuya Bon. Cause I got you, babe. Nobody wanna see us together. Glamour! Nancy, thank you. Miss Joanna, thank you so much. Boss Henry! Kuya Jeje Poy! Ano pong binenta natin ngayon? Boss Henry, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Yes, no roses po, please. Beep, thank Hello, Sir Richard! Hello, thank you so much. Kuya Jeje Poy. Thank you po. Si Lasden. Miss Bang. RP needs pins. Miss Gigi, Miss Ricey, hello. Andito pa din si Miss Ricey. Thank you so much po. Miss Gigi. Ay, Leia, thank you so much. Miss Charm, thank you. Maraming salamat po. Miss Anjay. Ang inginig ako. Ang inginig talaga ako. Okay. Let's sing something. Kanta tayo. Let's go. Leia! Oh my gosh. Thank you. Inhale, exhale. Miss Divina! Let's go! James, thank you so much. Left a good job in the city, working for a man every night and day, and I never lost 1 minute of sleeping, worrying about the way things might have been. But big wheel keep on turning, proud Mary keep on burning, and we're rolling, come on, rolling on the river. much, Linspin. Thank you. Maraming salamat po, JP Hair Creation. Thank you so much. Okay. Miss Aika, Miss Jen, thank you so much po sa inyong lahat. Kanta muna po ako Wait lang po, kakanta lang ako. But thank you so much everybody. I love you all. Grabe. Left a good job in the city, working for the man every night and day, and I never lost one